away from the mic for a moment. Go ahead.
You see, you could have just stepped away and nobody would have known. So now
Because
people.
every time I do it, you start looking around for me.
Well,
You do. You follow me around the room. Like, like
No,
you
I'm
need
just-
to look at me to talk
I'm
to
just
me.
really looking at your booty when you walk around. I just try to make it seem like I'm like, oh, where's Portia? Where's Portia? And then I'm sure any of the guys out there listening that's seen her in the club, when she walks around, her backside, it's like two African lions fighting each other, like in her jeans. They just kind of, I'm sorry, that's way off
African
topic.
lions? Oh my God.
Okay, well, you didn't miss much while you were gone.
No, you weren't talking about nothing. So, our topic today is we're going to discuss. See, you didn't laugh. That was funny.
No, I wasn't laughing. I was just like, it's a silent laugh.
You're going to have a very hearty laugh whenever I crack my jokes,
I
okay?
gotta work on. See, now it's gonna seem all fake. You need
No,
a
it
genuine
won't.
laugh.
It is genuine. I just need you to change your laugh
I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on a
Okay.
good laugh.
and stay in the mic.
Okay.
Your mic stinky.
People that know me know that I'm mildly OCD, so we have to be close to these
I
mics.
know, I
and I
have
don't
this-
like my lips touching this mic.
And I have this thing about smells. Like, I am literally like, my nose is so sensitive. Anything can set me off where I just get completely grossed out just by a smell. So, yeah.
So you couldn't be with a guy who like came from the gym and he got this
Oof.
got the SBs going on.
What's SBs?
Sweaty balls.
I hate sweaty balls. That's the issue I don't like. Did you see that post I did one day?
Yeah.
Sweaty balls are the nastiest, funkiest, stinkiest thing ever.
Oh, I just realized what it was. Well, I'm not laughing into the mic. Me and my friends, when we laugh, when you say something genuinely funny, like most times, it's hard to laugh and be still. So a lot of my buddies, when we laugh, we'll grab each other like, ah!
Y'all touch
And
each other?
we'll shake each other
That's
like if
so
it's funny.
lame.
No, it's you just have to be around. Like if it's funny,
Did you say you shake each other?
if depending on how funny it is, the funnier it is, the more beat up you'll get by somebody. You're like, ah!
So y'all fall all over each other. I
Don't
can't
make a sound.
stand that. You get your rub on.
Oh, I need to be with a group of women and do that. Like, girl, you funny.
That's
That's
so,
assault.
so you be rubbing on your friends.
Don't put it like that.
You just say y'all rub on each
No,
other.
we don't rub on each other. I said we shake and laugh and
Same
fall.
thing, shake. I done shook a few things too.
Well, say something else funny so I can just laugh
I just
and
did.
rub on
I
you.
shook a few things.
Whoa.
See, that was fun.
Whoa, I missed that.
Yes, you did.
That went over my head. Oh.
Oh, see, I've had a few things go.
I was.
No.
See, I was going back and listening to some of the clips, and I was like, I think we get to sex every week, and I think I might be the one that starts it. So, so I came in today, and I was like, I don't want to be the one to start any sex talk. Mm-hmm. Now, talk about your booty, yeah, that's fine, because people want to hear about that. You know,
Oh, okay.
I have friends that ask me, is
You
it
look
real?
out for the listeners.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, men and women,
Really?
and I tell them, as far as I know, it is.
It is real. It's 100% natural.
Not pretty nice.
Yeah, thanks.
It's all right.
Okay.
Okay, we're not going to talk about your. I can't
We
wait.
did a whole show on my
I can't
ass
wait
one
till we have D. Ellis back. We get D. Ellis in here, and
We are
he
going to
has
have
some-
him on too.
He had some great observations about your backside.
You know, I saw him All-Star Weekend at the Shaq party too.
Oh yeah, he was. I think he was doing a Shaq